Hi, so welcome back. This is just a brief outline of the other sessions. So binge eating tends to be, on average, 4 to 6 sessions. It'll be at least 4, and it really depends on the reason for your binge eating. If the binge eating is to do with diets, then we may be able to get away with 4 sessions because we've got to basically break that habit and then go down the path of intuitive eating. If, on the other hand, it's not maybe to do with diets, but also to maybe additional forms of trauma that you have been experiencing, then we need to do an extra 1 or 2 sessions on that. And really the reason for that is because what we want is I don't want this to be like a temporary fix. This needs to be a fix for forever, moving out forward, yeah? So that's the goal. So whatever, if there's something that is a trigger or something that happened in the past that when you think about it, then this is what, all of these emotions come up and then you have a habit of turning to food. And we just need to go in and maybe do a little bit more work on that. So as we really have basically future-proofed. So as when it's gone, it is gone. And if it ever on any level comes back, it would be like absolutely minuscule. You go straight back on the audios. And then if that didn't, sort it out straight away, because when you work one-on-one, you'll have these audios for life. People listen to my audios years after they've worked with me. And so basically what happens is you will have them, you have these audios forever. So it's really a case of you might come back, might do a session, sometimes people do. Okay, nipped in the bud, something new had come up, sorted. So I really want to, explain and say genuinely, honestly, the work I do, it's designed to be not just a temporary fix, it's designed to have longevity. But what you've got to do is you've got to commit to coming to the sessions and realize that sometimes when you come, you might be bringing 20 or 30 years of literally, food habits or even, shall I say, emotional baggage to the sessions. We've got to be realistic. Yeah, it's not it's not an abracadabra where it's like, oh, okay, hey presto, I can get rid of that. No, it's still incredibly so much faster than other forms of therapies, but it still takes a little bit of time. But the real thing that you need to hear is that you do not have to live with this forever. You can get over this. You can actually reprogram your unconscious mind so you can get back to normal eating and you can get back to start enjoying life and creating a body that you actually love, that is healthy, that's got vitality, that's got energy. So I hope by now that you have listened to my videos, and I hope that you've realized that the choice is up to you. You can keep doing the same thing over and over and hope that by miracle someday you get a different result, which, as we both know, highly unlikely. Or you can actually do something different and you can join the other people who've worked with me one-on-one that really makes incredible difference in their lives. So either ways, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, either book in a discovery call, maybe you're ready to book in a session, or at the very, very least, go into our free resources and download the guide as regards intuitive eating. But, it really is up to you. All right. Thank you for watching. All right. Hopefully see you sometime in the future.